Hello everyone! Another beautiful chess puzzle I'm going to share with you. The black king is here, a rook. And the white one, the king is here, a pawn and one bishop. White first to move and achieve a victory. How it happened? The problem is the black rook focus on his white bishop. There is a check captured by rook. The direction for that white for forward. This is for promotion. How to promote that? If there is a rook, we'll catch the bishop and then catch also the pawn. So, can you find the solution for that? So let's think for a while and return back after that. You can pause the video and solve your own. All right. How about this move? If you support his bishop like that, rook a8. If you move the rook will capture the pawn. So this is not the right move. We try this move. Bishop a7. Then black answer. If rook takes bishop, become a queen and return back to the position. How about if the first move for the white, bishop a7, king takes bishop, if he promote his pawn, become a queen, there is a check on that here. So that is not the right move. If he move his bishop to a7, how about if rook a2, still cannot promote his pawn, because if he promote his pawn, there is a check. So bishop a7, then rook a2. So there is a check on here. Bishop a7, black answer, rook a2. If bishop a3, rook a8. So cannot promote still. Bishop a7 and then rook a2. Then if he move his king on here, bishop will cover to a3. So that is the answer. Now can promote his pawn. Return back like that. Move. Bishop c5. Promote his, support his pawn. Still, the rook can move to a8, so cannot promote his pawn. Return back. So the right move for that is bishop e7. If king takes bishop, king f4. So cannot make a check. The check only here. Then king a5. Then there is another check here, a5, then move, then rook a1. So cannot promote this pawn. There is a check on here. So that is not a solution. Return back to the position like that. If he move his bishop to a7, then king takes bishop. Is king to d4. Then there is a check on that. c5. Still there is a check. If he move to b4, cannot promote his pawn. So that is not the solution. Bishop e4. Then how about if black move to a1? Can check his rook here. So if bishop protect this e1 like that, still rook to a8. Still cannot promote. Return back to the position like that. So the first move for the white, bishop a7. If rook a1, king f4, a check here to f1, cover his bishop, bishop to f2. Then if rook takes bishop, king a3. So the pawn will promote. There is no check, or the rook cannot check here and here. Then even he go here, though the pawn can promote a queen. Back to the solution. Bishop a7, rook a1, king f4. If he made a check, cover the bishop, bishop f2. That is a sacrifice. His bishop, rook takes bishop, and then king to e3. So the pawn become a queen. So that is the right move. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it to be updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.